guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you what I got from Target. The box just got delivered. So I saw on Trend Mood sometime, was it last week or sometime during this past week, that they posted Target beauty boxes. So this beauty box, it's not subscription based. This one is actually pre-made beauty boxes that Target puts together so that you can actually purchase them. They're $7 each. They're different. I think there's 4 to 5 different types of boxes, and they put them together in case there's any items that you would like to try out and you don't want to have to buy each individual item. They've put the boxes together so that you can choose the box that's right for you, purchase the box, and you'll be able to try out all the items that come in the box. Now, I did order mine. I ordered 3 of them because those were the only 3 that were available at the time that I decided I wanted to try the beauty boxes. But since then, I have learned that you actually can go to Target and get them in stores. Now, I haven't yet to see it physically in my Target, but I have seen people post pictures now online of having seen oh Lord, what's the word that I'm looking for? Having seen the displays for them with the boxes in Target. So you get it shipped to you, and each box looks like this. It does come wrapped in a plastic to keep everything in place. I just removed everything so that I can get to the boxes quicker. So I bought the Treat Yourself box. I also picked up the Wake Up and Makeup box, and I was also able to get my hand on the BeYOUtiful box. So there are a lot of items inside each of these boxes, and I was initially going to do a try on and demo video, but with so many things to actually go through and so many things to actually test out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I do a follow-up video to this one. I'm going to give myself enough time to actually try everything out that comes in all of these boxes, and then I'll be doing a follow-up video, a review on everything and my experience with everything that I was able to try. So first, I'm just going to start off with the one in front of me, and that's the BeYOUtiful box. And it looks like this. So right along the back of the packaging, you'll see you get a full list of all of the items that are in here. And then you will also get listed down the box, number 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. So there are 8 items in this one. And you'll get a quick rundown of all the ingredients of each item that's here. So in case there's anything that you may be allergic to, anything that you know, is an ingredient that you don't specifically care to use, you'll know that before you even have to purchase the box. You can actually just see the list of ingredients in the back. So let's crack this one open. All right, so in the box, okay, so like a lot of subscription boxes, you'll get a card listing the items that are in there, and then it would give you a brief description of what it does, and then it'll say psst, or tip or trick or hint in blue at the bottom, and it'll just give you a little extra something to note about each particular item. And then, okay, so you also get a small booklet, and it's actually for coupons. Oh. Face it the right way. So it's actually a little booklet of coupons for each individual item that comes in the box. So that way, if you want to buy the full size version of anything, you'll actually have a coupon for some money off. So that's actually not bad at all. So the first thing in the BeYOUtiful box is Undeniable Beauty for Hair, Skin, and Nails, Biotin, Vitamin C, E, and Borage Oil, Grapefruit, Glam, and other natural flavors. Okay, so these are vitamin gummies. All right, okay, so if anyone's into any of these gummy vitamins or anything like that, it'll give you a quick sample. there's one dosage in here, so there's 2 gummies in here. I'm not sure how much you're supposed to be able to figure out from just one serving of it, but you know, it's there, so it's cool, it's there. Next up, we have the Nexus Carafix Damage Healing. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. Okay, Damage Healing Shampoo and Conditioner. The shampoo is silicone free, protein fusion with keratin protein and black rice. For severely damaged hair, you get the shampoo and you get the conditioner. I am going to like testing this out. My hair is very my hair is very severely damaged, very dry. I have extremely dry scalp, made even worse by this particular winter that has just passed, or that we're still in the middle of. So I'm gonna love testing this out because I'm all about finding much healthier shampoos and conditioners for my hair. Next up we have here is the e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Pink, and this is actually a full-size item. This unique lip tint reacts with the chemistry of your lips to deliver a personalized shade of pink, enhancing the natural color of your lips. Pink is not a favorite color of mine, but for the purposes of trying out and really seeing what it can do, I will be giving that a try. And moving right along, we have a simple Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads with minerals and plant extract. Okay, I just recently, I think it was back in January or February, had discovered that I really like the simple micellar water to take off makeup at the end of the day, or to just clean my face on no makeup days. I really like that one a lot. So, alright, gonna be interesting to try out their makeup remover eye pads and see how that goes. Next is L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Brighten Clay to Mousse. Removes everyday impurities, dirt, oil, and pollution. 3 pure clays and charcoal. Okay, so maybe there's like 2 uses out of that one, so that should be enough to see if there's going to be any results. Last 2 items we have are from Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. Okay, that'll be interesting. Deep hydration cream. Again, I have really bad dry skin. So anything that's hydrating, moisturizing, or anything like that, I tend to like a lot and I tend to gravitate toward. So that I'm definitely going to be interested to use and see how that goes. And then we have here from Sinful Colors, which is actually a brand of nail polishes I'm always buying. Galaxy, and it has these, it's a clear polish and it just has these green and gold confetti flecks in it. So that's a cute little color. I wish I had had that by March. That would have been fun to wear. Alright, so that's the end of the BeYOUtiful box. Alright, so let's move right along here. So next we're going to be opening up the Treat Yourself box. And same thing. Okay, this one has 7 items in it. Again, they're all listed on the back. You can see them across the top there. See, that's another good thing, is that you can actually preview the items by just looking at what's on the back when you go to purchase them. So that way you know if it's the box for you, you can get it, and if it's not, skip it. So this card says hello relaxation, and again, all the items listed below, quick little info about what they do, and then some tips and tricks for some of the particular items for something a little extra. Your coupon book in case you want to buy the full size. And let's dip into what's going on here. So we have the Me Bath Bomb that makes skin super soft. Teeny Me Lavender Lullaby Bath Bomb. Oh, you can already smell that through the packaging. That smells so good. I don't take baths all that often, but it'll be nice to relax and try that one out. Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath. Restore and replenish with pure Epsom salt and essential oils. Okay, so pour a generous amount of it into the foaming bath under warm running water for a relaxing bubble bath experience. So that'll be interesting to try out. I have tried Dr. Teal's items before. I've tried a body oil that they had, and I also tried a lotion that they have. So I'm no stranger to Dr. Teal's, but I've never tried the foaming bath. So that'll be fun. Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. Oh, I've had this before. I think like in the beginning of like last spring, I actually bought this in this exact color. So I know that I actually do already like this. So that's not bad. All right, I like having that already. Okay, what's next? Oh, okay, Honest Beauty. Again, the Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. Okay, I am going to be interested in trying this out because I'm very particular about the facial cleansers that I use, and I'm very particular about what each facial cleanser I have actually does for my face. So definitely be interested to see what that does in comparison to everything that I already use. And what's next? Free and Lovely by Bodycology. I've talked about Bodycology lotions in my February favorites. January, February, one of those two. But I've talked about it before, so I already know I love Bodycology. Coconut and Rose Softening Body Butter with Cocoa and Shea. Proudly free of parabens and phthalates. Let's pretend I said that right. Oh, that smells... Oh, that smells so good. Yes. Okay. All right. So already a favorite because I already know I love me some Bodycology. What's next in here? Meltaways. Oh, now I'm just adding letters where they don't belong. Meltaways Bath Candies. Sweet and clean. Oh, I thought they were mints. No, place 3 Meltaways into warm bath water and let your skin drink in rich hydration. Okay, that's interesting. I want to see really quickly what they look like. Oh, they do smell. They smell like sweet mint. Oh, those are so cute though. They look like beauty sponges. They like beauty sponges. That's so there's a lot of like bath time related things going on here. And last but not least, oh, I've actually been curious about these. I have been, okay, so Olay Regenerist Whip in the trial size, light as air finish, powerful wrinkle results without heaviness, active moisturizer. I have been curious about this, but I've been kind of hesitant because I've kind of seen some not so good reviews on this going around online from people who supposedly tried it. But so I've kind of like, I go to the store and every time I do, I kind of hum and haw for like 10 minutes and then eventually walk away. Because one rule of thumb for me is if I really have to hum and haw that much about it, I probably shouldn't be getting it. So I'm actually glad that it's in here because now I get to try it out and not even worry about it. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to be getting into Makeup and Wake Up. Okay, so same as the... Oh, I caught it on my shoulder. I mean my elbow. All right, so same as the last two, we have the coupon book there. And then where is the other card? Here. Where's the other card? Do I not get a card this time? Oh, okay, so the bottom. Ooh, dang, that's kind of janky looking. Okay, but anyway, it doesn't change the fact that it does what it's supposed to. Quick info and then some tips and tricks. And boom, what is this? Dove Refresh Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. I'll be interested to try this because I have mentioned before that I've been on the search for like the perfect dry shampoo for me. I know Batiste is like the favorite for everyone, but I can't stand the white cast that it leaves behind. And I'm not just talking about the initial spray. I mean, even after rubbing it in and everything, it kind of leaves the hair, my hair at least, dull and gray looking. But anywho, so I'm gonna be interested to try this one and see if it performs better and it actually does what it's supposed to as a dry shampoo, because I've definitely been on the hunt for one. And whoa, okay, Dove Dry Spray Invisible Spray Deodorant. Bam. Okay, I'm very particular about my deodorant. I always get the Secret Clinical Strength one because trust me, if my deodorant fails, nobody wants to be around me. I'll be offending everybody. So I may or may not be able to try this one, or I may just have to try it on the weekend when I'm home and I don't have to worry about being out and about and offending anybody but myself. But we'll see about that one. Way more information than you thought you was going to get, huh? All right, so moving along, we have the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. Create a flawless natural look with this brush. Let's just open it really quickly and see what this brush is all about. Ooh, because I have some e.l.f. brushes. Okay, so this is a teeny little like travel size thing. Oh, this is, oh, I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be wide like a foundation brush or something. Oh, ooh, okay, it is soft though, so maybe that'll be like a good contour brush or something. Ooh, but that is majorly soft. Oh, I like how soft that is. Okay, we're gonna, boom, add that to the collection immediately. and I'll be interested to use that one and see how it goes. What else is in here? Again, they really like Honest Beauty, huh? Either that or they're just trying to get rid of all the Honest Beauty stuff. Well, that's not nice. I'll say that. Okay, Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Makeup Remover Wipes. There's 7 sheets in here. And it tells you quickly that it's dermatologist tested, and it gives you a quick rundown. Chamomile, calendula, and aloe help to calm and soothe. Grapeseed oil, olive oil, so on and so forth. I could definitely use that when I'm sitting here doing makeup, trying stuff on, and just going through different things because you know, again, it's nice to save on the wipes that I'm always buying all the time. Anyway, then we have the Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. Place wipe on a clean flat surface. Gently swirl brush bristles on wipe to remove makeup and dry brush with a paper towel. Do not flush. Huh. So this is kind of like, you know those little canisters people get that have that makeup cleaner thing inside, and you kind of run your brush over it while doing your makeup so you can use it for different colors? I think that's what this wipe is supposed to do by itself. So this is, I'll try this out. I mean, there's only one wipe in here, but I'll try this out, give that a shot, because that's an interesting little concept right there. What is this? CoverGirl New Peacock Flare Mascara. And this one's also like a trial size one. This is a nice chubby little thing. Or is this full size? No, I think the full size one actually is bigger. I don't know. I don't own it, but I'll be happy to try it. I really like trying mascaras, which is bad because you shouldn't have too many open at one time because them suckers dry out pretty fast. But I really like trying mascaras. I'm always interested to see which is ooh, they give you a little window here to kind of feel around. I like how that packaging feels. Ooh, and it's in black, so always my favorite color of mascara to get to, but I'm interested to try it just because I'm just like a fanatic about trying mascaras. And then last but not least, definitely full size, the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Natural Glow Face Palette, Fresh and Flawless. Okay, so this 3-in-1 total face palette includes a bare bronzer, a highlighter, and 2 blushes. Okay, definitely something that I will, you know, be happy to try out and report back on, because full face palette things like this are so much fun to find, because you like to be able to just pick up something and be able to just dip and go, dip and go, dip and go, and have your whole face done. So that is everything there. I promise that there will be a follow-up on every single thing that is here. If you have any more questions about anything regarding the Target beauty boxes, please ask them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you have not already, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it if you did. That's all that I have for you today. You have an excellent day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.